All right, guys. So for tonight's stream, viewers wanted to know how do I control the stream so easily without actually using keyboard if I'm using a controller. So basically, if you have a stream deck, a couple of things. I'm just gonna show off how I have my stream deck and how maybe if you can get creative, you can share in the description below how you can get your stream set up and your stream deck set up, and then we can go from there. Cue the camera. So basically, how I have my stream set up for when I'm streaming is basically here's our default template. You can create multiple pages for this as you need. I have a created folder here. Just right click, create folder, and then within the folder I have different actions. So for example, I have a multi-action starting my stream. In here I have make sure it's stream page I need. It also starts the recording. It starts the buffer, which I use for clipping, and then starts to record for it. So in case I forget to do something, multi-streams, multi-actions help a lot. So when I'm ending my stream, it's the same thing. I switch to a certain scene, I add a delay, I turn off recordings, and I clip whatever videos I need. I also have a be right back screen. So as you get the page right here, let's go to our start, click a button, simple, easy. You can turn off features also and do all of that with. So on to our stream deck, we're probably gonna zoom in a little bit more so you guys, Elgato, maybe we can get something to zoom in actually so we can get better view here. So within this, I also have my different scenes set up. I have the wave 3, so wavelengths also integrated into this to make it a little bit easier to control audio. So I can switch between what I'm hearing and what hearing, so I can do that all within that. Now if I want to, for example, whatever reason, turn off the camera and the mic really quickly, actually set up a quick page here. So it's going to turn off my camera and mute mic. If with the replay buffer save, if I have the replay working, which is why I have that multi-action on startup page going, I can just clip this button whenever I want to clip on YouTube. Because I stream on YouTube, it's a little bit difficult. It's not as easy and user friendly as it is for Twitch. A couple of other things we have: switching audio devices. So I have my speakers here, my set we can use within that, switching the mic, the audio coming from the headphones from the mic plugged in direct to that. CPU usage, if I'm trying to see if my PC is able to handle everything, I have 3 screens up. Usually I have about 5 different programs up: Wavelength, Spotify, Chrome or Edge also open, OBS, I'm recording, Notion for capturing data. But there's a lot of different things going on in the background of the stream, so just usually I want to monitor what's going on. A very cool feature I enjoy with the stream deck is the fact that if there's a resize, it's more of a multi-action resize application basically built into it. So I can Windows Mover move my applications all over the place. So whenever I want to stream, immediately I can just have icons just pop back up to wherever they are. So for example, let us show that off. We can have our screens here, and I'm gonna go to Spotify. I'm gonna tell it to go to my third screen coordinate, and then we're going to go to Wave, also set that to our third screen, which is my Dell, my 32-inch in the middle, get coordinates for that. So now I'm gonna move these around, and then if resize, gonna snap this one. So basically I'm gonna move things around. I hit resize, it snaps everything back to where I had it. So you can put a delay in between these so that way your screen's actually reloading as you need it. So that's just a quick little feature one. I'm still playing around with this to kind of figure out where I would like my screens to show up as I'm streaming. So with that, a couple other things I have here are a page for programs. So any application I need to launch, immediately recut if I'm editing a video, DaVinci Resolve. I have other programs, Steam, my PC panel control the audio controls without actually going into the Wave program, Wavelength to adjust I use computer, Elgato Capture, 4K, Outlook as needed, Canva to edit. So a lot of my basic programs I use daily are located on this page here. And the games I play daily, I would also include it here. So we have Steam, we have Tower of Legends, we have Valorant, Digimon Survivors, Genshin Impact, Final Fantasy, because I have both console and PC games. I haven't played too much into there. So that's basically how you can get a lot done using a stream deck. There's also the ability to use to pull in more applications as in plugins. You click on the plus here, programs, and then sort for programs that you're looking for specifically based on type of utilities, maybe streaming functions you want to use. Honestly, always adding a new one into this weekly, so that's definitely something you can check out. And with that, basically, guys, you can also, oh, actually, before I forget, if you have a different way you use your stream deck, for example, smart devices, drop a comment below and then let me know how exactly you're doing that. I will use these also to control my Govee light. So if we can go to our light source here, our light source actually power on. I have other lights in the background, so you can always use that to kind of figure out exactly what you want to do with your light sources. You get the APC, you plug that into it, and then that should be it. If you like the video, just let me know how you're using your stream deck, and then we can go from there.